Dragon's Apprentice is a steel family roller coaster located at Legoland Windsor in the United Kingdom. Dragon's Apprentice first opened in 1999. The ride was manufactured by WGH Transportation, now Stage 1, the same company that renovated the iconic scenic railway at Dreamland Margate. It provides a gentler ride for guests not ready to ride the larger Dragon roller coaster located next door. It has a single train with 6 cars. Riders are arranged 2 across in a single row for a total of 12 riders per train. After cresting the lift hill, the train enters a downward 360-degree helix which passes through a small castle turret. The train passes over a bunny hop before passing underneath the queue line and turning 90 degrees back to the station. Earlier this year, Legoland Windsor announced that Dragon's Apprentice would remain closed throughout the 2020 season.